Good morning and welcome to Transportation. Yes, we are now at our second 8-week course here at UAHT, and it's of course all 100% online, and I'm looking forward to this part of our journey. So in this class we're going to be looking at freight and air, motor carriers, all kinds of different, as well as the rail cars, modes of transportation and how that makes a big impact on the supply chain. This class will work identical to the inventory class. As of today, I only have one chapter folder showing because this week you should be working on your final exam for inventory and finishing up anything that you needed to get done for inventory that you didn't, okay? So by tomorrow, which is Tuesday afternoon, I hope to have the course schedule of all of what's due and the assignments open for the entire course and posted so that way you all can work ahead if you want to. Um, one thing I want to remind you of, this class runs through the second 8 weeks, so that goes into that spring break, and therefore you will have an assignment spring break week unless you work ahead. So that's why I'm going to leave everything open so you guys can work ahead, and I'll have a whole bunch of homework on spring break, but I know that you probably have other classes that may have homework as well. So let's try to be able to work a little bit ahead so you can get done. This class, of course, opens today, which is March the 5th, 2018, and then it closes April the 27th of 2018. So we're going to be April before we know it. So therefore, it's very imperative that you stay on your deadlines. I will not be giving you chances like I did in inventory. We just don't have that type of time, unfortunately, with this last 8 weeks of the class. So meet your deadlines. You'll probably find the work a little lighter in this course than you did in inventory. The subject is not as calculation laden as the other course was. A couple of things I want you to realize there'll be another difference is we will not have a situational business report, but we'll have a transportation interview, and I will post a video under that folder that talks about what to do for the transportation interview, and that project is more fun. I think you get to go in and interview a professional and kind of get their whole take on supply chain and transportation, what their job responsibilities entail. So just make sure that you do have this book secured. This is the book we'll be using. I'm not sure at this point late in the semester that the bookstore had it. You should have been given this book when you signed up for classes and got your books. So if you're having some problems, you need to get in touch with me ASAP if you don't have this book, okay? Because you will need this book. All right, so those are just a couple of things that I want to do on the kickoff video. On the discussion board this week, I have just a discussion check-in. I just want you to check in with me. You don't have to introduce yourself. Just check in and tell me that you're excited about this new class and hope to learn a lot. So again, this is just a very short kickoff video. By now you should be familiar with how this course structure is working. So be sure to go in, log into the course, go into information tab, look at the copy of the syllabus, and then go to the discussion board, check in real quick with me on the discussion board, and then go into the chapter 1 assignment and start working on the assignments. And like on the assignment folder is laid out just like the inventory class, where you have your preparation folder and you have your weekly assignments folder. So everything should be there for you guys. And if you have any questions, please contact me, 870-722-8261. If I'm in class, leave a message. I'll call you back. Email me at rachel.parson@uacch.edu or through the course email in the Blackboard course. Have a great semester and a great day.